Are you filming me right now?
I am.
All right. Putting on my safety gear to be in compliance with the medical health professionals. Keenan here with Coldwell Banker Westburn Realty and the Neely team. And we're here at our new listing number 205-2428 West 1st. Building is called the Noble House. And this is a 4-story building that was built in about 1989. And it was fully rain-screened in 2004, 2005. And about the same time, the roof was done. So this is a fantastic location. We're at the corner of West 1st and Balsam. We're about 2 blocks to the beach, Kitts Beach, 3 blocks to the shops and restaurants in West 4th. So really an unbeatable spot here. And this is an ideal building as well to rent out. The building has no rental restrictions, so you're free to rent it. So it's a bit of a gold mine. Pets are allowed, 1 cat, sorry, no dogs. And in a second, we're going to take you up and show you the suite here. We also wanted to point out to you that this building also has a rooftop deck, and we'll also take you up and show you that as well. But we are following strict COVID-19 guidelines as set out by the health authority here in British Columbia. So all appointments will be strictly enforced in terms of the COVID-19, and we're here to protect you, the public, and of course the people that live in the building here. So again, we will be following COVID-19 guidelines. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, we're back at the Noble House, 2428 West 1st. The sun is so bright here, I can barely see. But anyways, we're on the rooftop deck. And we're just going to quickly show you the view from up here because it's quite spectacular actually. You know, that water is so calm right now, you can go paddleboarding, even water skiing. Tina, yeah. We just got off the elevator and we're just going to head to the unit now, but we just wanted to sort of quickly talk about something that's sometimes overlooked, but often recognized when people are looking at places, is the common areas. So hopefully the camera can pick this up, but they're in good shape. Carpets are in good shape, walls are in good shape. Are you ready? Here we are, we're inside. We'll take you through here. We've got hardwood floors, oak. As you can see, it's a nice open floor plan, kitchen with all the appliances, fridge, stove, dishwasher. We say it's in move-in ready condition, and it is. And you can see here, we're facing north by northeast. So you've got a peekaboo view to the water and the mountains. And you're facing first. So you can see all the windows are a high quality window. Again, that was all upgraded when the rain screening was done in 2004. And again, it's a 1-bedroom, it's got in-suite laundry. And we've got access to the sun deck here, both from the living area. Want to come up? And from the bedroom. So it's a covered patio. So you can do your barbecuing out here. And this is a busy time and it's pretty quiet. Although it's pretty quiet everywhere right now. We'll take you into the bedroom. We did mention the gas fireplace, correct? Included in the maintenance. The bedroom. And again, full access to the deck from here as well. And then the bathroom. It's actually a cheater ensuite, so you have access, laundry. Oh, and we'll point out as well that this unit and all the other units have their own hot water tank. And that hot water tank actually is, I think it's under 5 years. So with your own hot water tank, it means that there's no recirculating pipes through the building. So that's going to prolong the life of the plumbing. Cheater ensuite means we've got access to the bathroom from both the hallway and the bedroom. Big closet space. Did we show that? We did, didn't we? So that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Kelly or I at 604-649-4548 or email us at info@keenanhomes.ca. Thanks for hanging in there for the tour, guys. Be safe.